Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Higher Mathematics. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss next PYQ of partial differential equation asked in csirnet 2022. So our question is, which of the following partial differential equation is not parabolic for every x and y belongs to R? So we know the condition of parabola. What is the condition of parabola? S square minus 4rt is equals to 0. This is a condition of parabola. Now we will check the condition in each option and see which is parabolic or which is not. So taking first option, A option, here s square is x square minus 4rt. Here r is equals to 0 and t is equals to 0. So 4 times 0, which is equals to x square, x to the power 4. Here, which is not equals to 0 for all value of x. So this is not parabolic. So option A is correct. Now we will see the next option. Option B. Here, r is equals to this. Sorry, s is equals to this, r is equals to this, and t is equals to this. So s square minus 4 r and t, x square y square, which is equals to 4x square y square minus 4x square y square, which is equals to 0. So this is a parabolic. So this option is wrong. So third option, here also 2x y square minus 4x square y square, which is equals to 0. So this option is also wrong. Now fourth option, here s square is this, y square, and same as this also, minus 2xy square minus 4x square y square is equals to 0. So here second, third and fourth, all three are parabolic and only A option is non-parabolic. So option A is correct. So this is the solution of this question. If you like this video, hit the like button, and for more such video you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.